Assalamualaikum and good day, sir. Today we would like to discuss and analysis the case study for subject PEI 3403 Power Distribution System. Our group consists of Yukan Rush, Leonard Ruban, and also Muhammad Bakri dan Yusof. Okay, next. Okay, today we also would like to discuss the question number 6. This question number 6 is about register electrical wiring install and electrical wiring for incoming single phase for a restaurant. Electrical hardware such as fluorescent lighting and ceiling fan is connected to a thin but metal clad for final circuit only not connected to us. He also connect to a thin used water pipe which connect to public water supply only. Does the wireman work follow electrical regulation? The answer from the first case, the answer is no. It both should not be done because the first case, metal plate for final circuit only not connected to earth, and the second case is wrong because connect the thin used water pipe which connected to public water supply only. Okay, next.
So both the cases are wrong based on the regulation 34, earthing for metallic part and neutral point and etc. So under regulation 34, sub-regulation 1, any metallic sheet, cover, handle, joint box, switch gear frame, the frame bed plate of any generator, converter, rectifier and motor, the metallic case of core of any transformer and the metallic frame and cover of any refrigerator, cooking stove and other electrical equipment including any domestic appliance except for those of class 2 construction shall be effectively earthed, which means that any metal parts should have been effectively earthed. And the second regulation, which is regulation 34 sub-regulation 2, any water pipe connected to a public water supply system shall not be used as a sole means of earthing. So from this we can see that both the situations which are not being earthed in a right way, which is earthing for the metal cat and also earthing to the water pipe. So from this we should know why it is wrong. So what is earthing? First of all, earthing or grounding system is an electrical network work as a safety measure to protect human life as well as equipment. The main objective of this earthing system is to provide an alternative path for dangerous currents to flow, so that accidents due to electric shock and damage to the equipment can be avoided. Besides that, metallic parts of equipment are grounded or connected to the earth, and if the equipment installation fails for any reason, then the high voltages that can be present in the equipment covering or outer box need some part to be discharged. So if the equipment is not earthed, these dangerous voltages can be transferred to anyone who touches, and it resulting to an electrical shock, which also may cause a serious injury or even death. So these are the importance of earthing. So the first important is safety for human life, electrical devices and buildings. So it saves the human life from danger or from any electrical shock which can cause death. For electrical devices, it will blow up the switch and it protects our electrical equipments or devices. And besides, it also provides a safe path for lightning and short circuit currents and saves the buildings from structural damage. And the following importance is voltage stabilization. So as for voltage stabilization, electricity comes from many sources. every transformer can be considered as a separate source. If there is no point which will act as a common point, then it is impossible to make a calculation between these sources. So earthing will represent as the common point. In an electrical distribution system, earth is omnipresent conductive surface, which makes it as an universal standard for all electrical systems. And finally, for over voltage protection. So earthing system also provides an alternative path in the electrical system to minimize the dangerous effects in the electrical system, which happens at the time of lightning and unintentional contact with high voltage lines. So now we have got the idea of earthing system. Now let us see the methods of earthing or grounding.
Okay, so we have total of 3 methods on earthing the wire ground. Okay, so the first method is plate type earthing. Okay, this method is using a component of cast iron plate, copper plate, or galvanized plate. Okay, the plate is buried 8 feet into the ground with bolts in a vertical position. These pits generally filled with layers of salt and charcoal up to 4 feet starting from the bottom. Okay, so next is pipe type earthing. Okay, pipe type earthing is a generally we use a copper pipe for this type of earthing system. Okay, generally the pipe used for the this method is the diameter will be in 38 mm and the length will be in 2.5 meter. Okay, it will be buried in the earthing pit at the depth at a very depth in the soil. Okay, so this type of earthing is reliable, durable, easy to handle, and highly secure. The connection of earth wire goes in a galvanized iron pipe, which being above the ground level make it easy to check for any fault. This will require about 3 to 4 buckets of water pour into this earthing pit through a funnel to make sure the earthing works fine. Okay, so the next method is rod earthing. Okay, rod earthing is same as pipe earthing method. Okay, rod can be a copper or galvanized iron rod. Okay, we can use either copper or galvanized pipe. Rod. Okay, a copper rod of 12.5 mm diameter or 16 mm diameter of galvanized steel, or hollow section of 25 mm of GI pipe with the length above 2.5 meter are buried upright in the earth manually or with the help of a pneumatic hammer. Okay, the length of electrodes in the soil reduce earth resistance to a desired value. So this is the 3 methods that can be used for an earthing pipe. Okay, so as our conclusion, the method of grounding used by the electrician is wrong. This because it does not comply the regulation. So therefore, the electrician should have follow any of the 3 methods. But the most suitable method we can understand from these 3 method is it is a rod method. So this method is very suitable for this situation because this shop does not have any complex circuit and built in with a single phase circuit. Moreover, rod method can be used in a simple places like home, office, and restaurants. So from our conclusion, the method that can be used for this situation is rod earthing system. So that's all from us. Thank you.